drag him into the cabin area.
Okay. All right.
Pressed against there. And I'm running through this pulley. Then I'll circle it back to the winch. See if that helps. Plan that better. Yeah. And then I'm going to open this hatch here. I'm going to just lower him down into the bathroom and then I'll drag him in from there. Right on top there. Well, I didn't expect that. Well, you're learning new stuff. Why is yours wet? Shut up. What? Wait. Rose, rose, rose.
Row, row, row.
So these are the two new batteries that we're putting in. Decided to go with the two big 8D. It's the size AGM batteries. We're gonna do two down here in the battery locker here, and then we're gonna end up adding two more in the aft bedroom later. We're waiting on them to stock them. So this right here, these are 250 amp hours each, so that'll give us 500 amp hours here, and then we'll add another 500 amp hours here pretty soon. But so yeah, we're just gonna get these tucked in, and we'll at least have half our bank set up, and we'll be rocking.
Okay.
So. So I'm just running this rope through here to make kind of a little redneck handle. These things are not light.
On my back.
Sorry.
One.
Is that as bad as taking the old ones out?
I mean, these are 40 pounds heavier. The other ones were 120. These are 160. But I had gravity on my side, so yeah, that was definitely easier. I mean, pulling them out of the locker, that sucked.
Yeah.
It doesn't look that bad, but pulling 120 pounds out of a small hole with one handle is how it's done before. Brace myself, you know,
Yeah.
slippery wood. What's an idea?
Why you want to me?
You don't say that to me.
I want to me. My mother.
No, you don't.
You're down. Yeah, me.
You just always gotta talk, huh?
The way these ones kind of go in, I gotta tuck them, put the terminal, slide it back, and then I set the other. They barely fit in here.
Oh, okay.
They're so big. No on that battery. Don't forget, the kids can't play their video games off the inverter, right, Rose?
The world would cease to exist.
No TV.
Oh, that's my
What would we
friend.
do, Rose?
That's what my
Mayhem.
She doesn't care. You're so pretty.
Oh, no, it's not. That red bottle, that's mine. That red box, that's mine.
Little crab walk. If it doesn't look graceful, it's because it's not. This one fits just barely in there too.
Oh, jeez. Yeah. It honestly didn't
Like
look
a
like
glove.
it was going to fit.
Was 90% positive it was gonna fit. That was the same size as the other ones. If it didn't, I would have been very displeased. I've never made the batteries. Yeah, he's kind of wedged out in there.
What you doing?
Except when you get busy and you're not being a freaking tension. See the terminals are on that side?
They're not supposed to be.
No, they're supposed to be on that side. So you get in a rush, your ass gets to pull the big battery back out and spin it. So let that be a lesson. Pay attention. I thought I already prepped them. I must have spun it when I put them in because I thought I prepped them both terminals the same way, but I guess I didn't.
The three kids are distracting.
So now you gotta see how hard it was to pull them out because I gotta do it again.
Yay.
Pretty excited.
There's a foot in my way.
Sounded good.
No.
Let's try that again. So I got a freaking. Technically, if I could pull off a spin down here, I don't gotta take them all the way out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be able to do that. Last time I just ended up getting a little bit more length on it. Dumbass thing to do. Sweating.
Yeah, I bet.
Shut this up a little. Guy's not gonna do that again, is he, Rosie? As soon as I slid it back, I saw it turn. I was like, literally just was talking about how much it sucks pulling those out. So yeah, those were that extra 40-ish pounds. Yeah, I felt it.
Yeah.
Definitely heavier, and these